Welcome to my biggest vlog. Welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, hello. Welcome guys. Namaste, Sewa, ani good evening. Welcome to my vlog once again after a long time. So we are here in Leisure Restaurant. 24-hour open भएको ठाउँमा चाहिँ अब आज चाहिँ हामी आएको छौँ. आज चाहिँ हाम्रो गेट टुगेदर हाम्रो भाइ बहिनीहरूसँग गेट टुगेदर गर्नको लागि चाहिँ हामी यहाँ आइपुगेको छौँ. सो अब हामी चाहिँ भित्रको गेट टुगेदरहरू पनि हामी देखाउने छौँ. सो यति भन्दै अहिले चाहिँ अब हामी स्वाटै भित्र जान लागिरहेको छौँ. Let's go guys. Hello guys, so we are here in Leisure or what is that? Leisure or Leisure? Leisure restaurant. And with my bani, with my friend from South Africa.
Hello.
His name is Tawfiq. For today, he's the one sponsor for us. Huh?
Wow.
And मेरो भाइ हाम्रो प्रकाश भाइ.
No problem, I'm here.
We are here now. अनि आज चाहिँ गाइस हो, आज चाहिँ हाम्रो यो नेसनल युए को नेसनल डे पनि हो. अनि यसै उपलक्ष्यमा हामी भाइ बहिनीहरूसँग अनि मेरो साथी तफिकसँग चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ गेट टुगेदरको लागि चाहिँ यो ठाउँमा आएको छौँ. सो आजको गेट टुगेदर हाम्रो रहनेछ एउटा हुक्का भन्छ नेपालीमा, सिसा, अनि हाम्रो टीहरू, यो मिल्क टी, अनि बहिनीले चाहिँ के टी खाएको र? जिन्जर टी. अनि हाम्रो भाइले के टी हो? स्यालम. अरे कसरी? स्यालम. भाइले चाहिँ स्यालम टी खाइरहेको छ, भाइले चाहिँ पिइरहेको छ. अनि मैले पनि चाहिँ मिल्क टी होइन फ्रेसवाला मिल्क टी चाहिँ लिन लागिरहेको छु, तर विदाउट सुगर. सो नाउ आई विल एड सुगर.
But voila, it's very nice. One brown
Really?
sugar, perfect.
One brown sugar.
One
Okay.
brown But that's how I'm having it normally because I don't generally have.
It's per wish, so I'm
Sugar in my
add
tea.
one sugar brown. Then what is this
Stir
one?
is there.
This one.
Stir clockwise,
Okay.
anti-clockwise, then it will be ready to.
2 times clockwise, 2 times anti.
So guys, welcome everyone in Leisure. It's a small gathering with friends. Nice to see you, Prakash. I think I met him after 7 years. Yeah. So
Yeah.
good to see you.
So say something to my audience.
To your vlog, to your audience.
Yeah, vlog
What I can
audience.
say. Oh my God.
Anything. First of all, welcome to my vlog, everyone. है. अनि आज चाहिँ हाम्रो लेजरमा हाम्रो रिन्चिनले आज पे गर्ने सर हामी यहाँ आएको छौँ. आज रिन्चिनले सबै बिलहरू पे गर्छ. So ल ओके म हुन्छ.
vlog, you will pay for us.
एन्ड सो यहाँ हाम्रो साथी हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो उबाट के अरे भुटानबाट हाम्रो भुटानबाट होइन यहाँ फ्रम भुटान या ब्रो
Thank you.
या
Okay, yeah.
बस्नु
You all give me
ल आज चाहिँ हामी नेपाली साउथ अफ्रिकन अनि हामी त भुटानीहरू भेटेर चाहिँ एकदम खुसी लागेको छ. सो थ्याङ्क यू सो मच फर कमिङ है एभ्री वान.
Number 1.
सो आज चाहिँ हामी हाम्रो मेन चाहिँ तफिकको रिक्वेस्टमा चाहिँ आज हामी यहाँ बसिरहेको छ. सो भेरी ह्याप्पी टु सी इच अदर है. अनि हाम्रो के अरे दावालाई मस्ट वेलकम. दावा नम्बर 1 हो, तर भरे पैसा नतिरिकन चाहिँ नजाने भने अहिले हाँसेर मात्रै हुँदैन, पैसा पनि तिर्नु पर्यो नि भरे त फेरि. तिमी पनि नम्बर 1 हो, तर तिमी पैसा नतिरी भाग्छौ तिमी. दावाको बहिनीको नाम के हो? मिङमा. मिङमासँग मेरो सेकेन्ड टाइम होला. अस्ति पनि थियो है? अस्ति थियो है. म त्यो रुममा आएको थिएँ नि. रुम के अरे नेपाली बुझ्छु, बोल्नु चाहिँ आउँदैन अलिअलि. कस्तो एकछिन आउँछ. हो एकछिन आए ठिकै छ केही छैन तिमीलाई चाहिँ कति एकछिन मात्रै आउँछ कि धेरै आउँछ ओके ल रिन्चिनलाई कति आउँछ हो
दावा त मसँग स्टोरमा नेपाली बोल्दा बोल्दै घरमा नि नेपाली बोल्छ नि
सो अनि खै के खाने के पिउने भन न नि
What do you want to
हो
drink?
त्यहाँ चाहिँ तिमीले पहिला यस्तो
I will
तिमीले
call-
पैसा तिर्न सक्छौ भने मात्रै खाने हो फेरि सक्छौ
अहिले अघिदेखि चाहिँ प्लिज साथी आऊ आऊ भनेर अहिले चाहिँ फेरि
तिम्रो च्यानल रहेछ तिमीले तिर्ने नि म त यो बोलेको छ
सो टु जिन्जर टी एन्ड ब्ल्याक टी फर हर ल अनि
मह कम्ती राखिदिनुहोस् ल
ओ अर्को हाम्रो ऊ पनि आयो पुग्यो होला ए everyone, ल ल कम कम कम
अब
Welcome, welcome.
अब you are fighting and now I will see
कम 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 दिस साइड
बस्न छिटो तिमीले पामेङ हो
Sheila, welcome.
अलिकति
उस where you are about
अलिकति उता चाहिँ हो लिन्छु कम दिस साइड
रिन्चिन साथी तेरो फोन खोइ
कम कम
साथी मेरा
लेदा मेरो फोटो लेदा
टपिक you see
What about?
एन्ड दाइ उसलाई यसो पनि गरिदिनु अहिले उसलाई लिदिहाल्नु फेरि फेरि भरे नेक्स्ट
is
नेक्स्ट
there
टाइम
you know
Yeah, take nice one. Last time we didn't take nice.
ब्ल्याक टी दिस वान
Change
or something ginger tea
लेवा
okay
मेरो
three
फोटो
ginger
हाल्छु
tea
यहाँ
3 ginger tea and 1 black tea okay
दावा ट्राई दिस
Sheila, thank you for coming.
say hi my
What happened?
video say hi
which one
there is
Because
Yeah.
yeah, you will be.
oh
YouTube tomorrow.
why why you feel sad
Wow, wow, wow.
it's very happy to see you
kuzu jampo dari nga imina dari nga ji ani bikash nepal lengi charo imba charo te khogi lapsingi ra matuk damu
राम्रो त भन्दैछ नि यसले
ramru geranga lu lisum sa salaume nga dari men ko ngimali chi ko chebe nami sem guys shuni te kogi dubi charo yeru mero chi semidi nga I se shuni lage ralo
अब के भन्नु पर्छ
kogi di nam sem hago ngalamidi ngaragi hagunu dari ngai gi gagi kole shuni mo jewachin bikash ki kole lamni khojemidi youtuber is also tiktoker e ko dancer e
डान्स चाहिँ म
shabje thinsuk koge
Prakash hungry. He wants food.
te debeda mo ngachi dubi khana di inna mena tawdashi doji dolo chamdashi islamni wa ngai di leshe chira lapchi cause youtuber ino tiktoker ino shabde thinsuk chabya sup se ta inna mena tagi mo ngachi chachab gera yada chi shabda chi this होइन एकछिन अब म नेपालीमा ट्रान्सलेट गर्छु ओके मैले पानीको कुरा चाहिँ मैले पुरा इन्ट्रोड्युस गरेँ भुटानको ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा हाम्रो यो पनि हाम्रो नेसनल ल्याङ्ग्वेज म त नि एउटा मेरो त नि यो के हो म त खेङ्पा हो तर पनि म नेसनल ल्याङ्ग्वेज हाम्रो एउटा मात्रै छ यो पनि यस्तो पनि मैले तिमी त नि युट्युबर पनि हो नाच्नु पनि सक्छ गीत पनि गाउनु सक्छ
भुटानको राष्ट्रिय जनावर के हो एनिमल
टाकिन
अनि राष्ट्रिय बर्ड चरा
रेभेन
really
यस
and
यु थिङ्क आई विल लाइक
Addiction.
and
Addiction हुन्छ नि
what about
This one
वाट
more
फुल like के भन्छ
when I
फुल
was small,
फ्लावर
यो न त्यही त हो के
when I
त्यो चाहिँ
don't
के हो
साथी
I shake my hand.
हाम्रो नेसनल फ्लावर
नेसनल
के हो
फ्लावर
ब्लू पपी
ए यसलाई थाहा छैन
बिर्सिको नि नाम बिर्सिको नि यार ब्लू पपी भनेर नाम बिर्सिको नि के
ओके
दिस वान यु विल फाइन्ड इन हायर
what about the जनावर the animal
एनिमल टाकिन पनि होइन कतिचोटि भने अस्ति टाकिन दियो होइन म तिमीलाई
okay and what about
बट रेभिन हो नि रेभिन के कस्तो भन्छ
In our
ए
country,
यसलाई थाहा
Bird,
छैन
bird. National bird.
नेसनल बर्ड what is the national bird of Bhutan
रेभिन के भन्छ प्रोनाउन्सिएसन
Huh?
हो हो हो
really
किङको क्राउनमा हुन्छ नि रेभिन
Ravin and
आई डोन्ट नो रेभिन I don't know.
I want to ask you some question, okay?
Yeah.
About Philippine, okay?
Philippine, no problem.
Okay. Like, what is the Filipino national animal? Yeah, national animal. Sorry, national animal.
For us, it's Carabawa.
Carabawa?
Yeah.
Carabawa.
Eagle, the Philippine eagle for us.
Oh, okay.
Philippine eagle.
And what about the national bird? Do you know?
The bird, Eagle is a bird.
Ah, okay, national bird. Huh?
Yes po.
And
Yeah, we have eagle also in the Philippines. And yeah, for us, eagle.
and
And you have been already in the Philippines.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know already what Philippine all about. Yeah.
but
Some location you go there already.
no, I went there in Boracay, Baguio,
What-
and Manila.
I think I will ask you about what's the experience that you've been in Boracay.
Boracay. Oh my God. It
yeah.
was amazing, when we went there, so we get a lot of experience,
Yeah, it's-
like for the beach and for the island. Yeah, most of island there,
Yeah.
the small island. There is Crocodile Island,
you've
Crystal Island, and she was curious about the like our what we get from Boracay, Baguio, and Manila.
या बोरोकाईमा के गर्यो बोराकाई और बोरोका
Boracay.
Boracay.
Yeah.
बोरोकाई त नि राम्रो छ नि यार के भन्नु यार
यो अनि इङ्ग्लिसमा भन्दैन त नि उसले बुझ्ने गरी
एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द क्वेशन
Question: How was the experience?
बोरोकाई
Yeah. But you never been. But you never been there, yeah?
I've been there for 3 days.
Ah, okay. So भन्दै त ल छिटो अलिकति मजा आओस् न अलिक इन्ट्रेस्ट तरिकाले भन्दै यहाँ आइज छिटो
इन्ट्रेस्टिङ मा चाहिँ कस्तो भन्नु हो अब
यस्तो स्टोरी बनाएर भन्दैन नि मेरो यसो कपालको यसो हल्का पन्नी
तिम्रो कपालको त स्टोरी इन्ट्रेस्ट नै छैन बिकज यु नो ही इज टेलिङ अस टु टक अबाउट हिज हेयर या देयर एक्चुअली इट इज नट इन्ट्रेस्टिङ स्टोरी इट इज सो इरिटेटिङ स्टोरी ब्रो माई गॉड वी टुक अलमोस्ट लाइक 6 hours whole day we are waiting for his hair to get fixed.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know what to say. They used to make their hair right like African hair,
Yeah.
artificial.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. And I
He
I
took
paid
almost
that,
4 hours.
No, I paid that time like 600 pesos. Okay. When I make and later on we came back to our room. Okay. When I wake up already it's the
It's normal here, bro. Yeah, even one did tattoo here. My God, it looks so dirty. But what I like is, my God, this beach. It is so clean. My God, it is clean like sky, blue color. It looks so pure. When you look like this, you will see a lot of fish. It is so clean.
Yeah.
Like, there you will not even see single, even the small branch also. It's well cleaned. But I asked this boatman also. He is telling that it is, taken care by this community. They have their own community. They are making money, within this community. They make their own money through this beach. That's why it is their responsibility. Like they are being responsible for it is their property now. They make their own money from this sea. That's why they have a lot of respect, commitment to those environment. My God, that's why I like it. You will not even see small paper there. It's well cleaned, bro. My God. But when I went to Thailand, you see, at the time I realized in Thailand beach, it is so clean. If you look like this, scene is nice. The thing is in their beach, especially nearby, right, this bay, you will see like lot of dirty,
and
like packaged food, too much.
Tell them my
But
funny story.
that's why
Funny
I
story
told
also.
him, bro. I told him.
Rinzin, funny story also tell them.
What funny story?
My phone, mobile.
These people, they are going for swimming, bro. Then I was carrying their bag. My God. Yeah, I'm so small, right? And their bags are so big. I'm carrying like, like what we call loader. What we call it? People who carry loader or what? These people, how they treat me? But I was always nearby. I cannot swim, right? I don't play with those river also. What do we call it? Beach?
Yeah.
I don't like. That's why I was one day. No. One day, what happened? This guy they went for swimming, and they are letting me to keep their mobile. And he was swimming. He lost his phone. His phone was inside his pocket.
You lose your phone.
Yes, bro, very nice. And then he's getting angry to me. He's telling, bro, why did you put my mobile in my pocket. Bro, in his pocket, you think I will put in his pocket? Bro, this is your problem, not my problem. These people blaming me. I told them, okay, you get angry if it is in my pocket, yeah. This is my fault. But this is your mobile, it's in your pocket. Yeah, okay, if it is my mobile in your pocket means problem. This is his mobile in his pocket, not in my pocket also.
But thing is that, you know, that time...
And whole trip, khalas, because of his
when I
fault.
lost my phone, like inside my pocket, and there is a beach, you know, I go inside the water, and then all water, yeah, that phone, and totally dead, the phone. And those are people, Filipino people also, you know, believe that, you know, that dead phone will be, you know, if put in the rice, then getting, you know, the, yeah. And whole Philippine, you know, how many days I stay without phone? How is it? Oh my god.
And you know what happened? My phone.
And the only thing, that time she didn't buy a new phone, okay?
My own
And
phone.
whenever we are go, oh, take my picture, take my video, okay? And okay, and what is your phone? You know, I have, but you know, the very slow.
You know, I had
Oh my god, my phone was getting hang. I cannot take
I
picture.
had a very unique experience. You know, when I was in Georgia, right? There was people, right? They randomly, while you are standing, they would take a picture of you, okay?
Okay.
Random, you don't know who they are. I don't even know they're doing this. They take a picture of you, okay? And they print it on like brown paper, your picture. And it's like a newspaper article. And then while you're standing, they just come and give it to you. And you know, they don't, no money, no any charge. If you want to give them something, you can give them. But you know, very like vintage, you know, brown paper picture.
Okay.
And you know the picture they take, it comes out printed.
Yeah, yeah,
like
yeah.
the brown paper. And they just come hand it to you. I just thought like in the moment, you know, they're capturing that moment of you.
Yeah.
Like how unique that is. Because I was just there admiring the view
And
and I'm with my friend. And then they take the picture and they come give it to you like that. And now I have that as a remembrance.
but Boracay is totally different, bro.
Yeah.
So they don't have anything.
Yeah.
They are standing, and so once we are ready to take picture, and give me your mobile, okay? And they take,
Yeah, that's what-
getting money, you know.
Bro, it is
like
also
10
nice.
lira,
They are
10
in
pesos,
every, you know,
25
viewpoint, like
pesos. Isn't
where-
it? That is
With no
also
money. If you want to give them something, you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
give.
yeah.
If no, no issue. But it's like for them, it's like
Kung gina
they
imina
want you to
patak
have
ni
that
dili
moment
long
in their
video
life.
mesiro. Dibda kiruya
Yeah,
ni
yeah.
be
Remember, like,
rangi
you know,
gamchi
this
jini
is your
amchi jini.
experience. But
Photo
that is
sports
the
na
topic,
meme
guys.
viewpoint na
you
gera.
know that in the moment kind of experience like that brown paper. I will show you.
and
Kung jini,
oh
kung
my
itapsi.
God, you know, I feel
Photo ta
very,
mimi
very,
dere dere.
tired, and whenever I'm sitting, I'm like already sleeping. Okay?
Yeah.
No, I will tell you one of funny story. You know, the first day we went there in first day. The Jason was booked already for us. You know, the accommodation, and what happened? There is for me first time experience. And we enter there in our accommodation, and we feel also very hungry, and she has also,
This
you
is
know,
first day.
everyone has very hungry. And Jason was you know, the like when we enter, and Jason was washroom, okay. I saw there is lot of thing, you know, the for food and like you
All the
know,
snacks
alcohol,
in the
everything, you know. I think this is for welcoming for us. And I start to, you know, break up and open, and I start to eat, and they are also eat. And just Jason
all-
come back, yeah? And oh, who will open? Who will open? And they are the one blame me. This is the one. This is this guy. And but they are the one also eating. Oh, okay.
These guys are so confused, bro. You see, these people, you know, these people, when like you know we eat lot, right? If we have big bill, all will go and go washroom after eating. They will not come faster, bro. They will stay washing hand, pooing, and later on, when about to pay bill, you know, these people knows already. They will go to wash their hand, washroom. Yeah, they will not come back. Are bhai, if it is like bill, if it is coming 100, 200, all will rise there, and I will pay. When it is coming above 500, bro, are bhai.
So
Eating like buffalo, pig. Then when it comes to pay, they run, bro.
how come? You remember
These
one
people,
day?
oh wait. These people, you know, did shopping for themselves. for they did all shopping for them. I'm the only one who didn't buy anything, huh? I was paying their bill after eating. Paying. Khalas my money. Arey, yaar, very smart these people.
Exactly. One
No
one-
shy also. He paid one time 500 for taxi.
How come? 2,400 pesos from in Boracay. One day, one night we lunch. You know that time I'm the one paying that one.
Don't joke. I also paid many times.
No, okay, but that is the most expensive food.
Because halal food.
The 2,400 pesos.
How come you gave only 1,000?
KFC.
How come?
Every day KFC, bro. The only thing we can order. And we cannot go anywhere far
Bro, these
away.
people have lot of money,
It is the
huh?
only
Lot of
KFC
money.
location. If we need to go whole day no food, huh? If you're coming one meal when you're ordering the KFC, we eating. Every day eating KFC because only halal food. Very hard. That is the only
It's
thing
in,
what's happening.
Eating like pig when comes to pig. Kiran,
के
bro.
निकाल्दैछ हाम्रोले
I'm
दावाले
putting chips in the roll and eating.
के रहेछ खै हेरौँ खै अलिकति
But you know, we
Yeah,
enjoyed
Jordan,
lot
yeah.
at the time. We,
Yeah, Jordan.
enjoyed. We are so one night, you know, we didn't
You know?
sleep. We are drinking, you know.
ए झर्दै
Whole night we are drinking because we don't have room, bro. Are yeah.
अरे भाइ यो भाइले हँसाएर मारिहाल्छ
And it is so cold also at night.
Vincin, you saw the car dance there also.
What?
We make car dance there in Boracay.
Oh my God,
everywhere.
whole
Oh my
night.
God.
But you know, this guy, bro, we went in red light, yeah, red light. He really want those ladies, you know, my God. Bro, he don't want to go back, you know, because
Okay, thank you so much for coming, huh? Sila. Bye bye. Say hi. So, thank you so much for coming, huh?
Okay, see you.
Okay, bro, huh? See you, huh? Great to see you. दावा मसँग रिसाइरहेको थियो आज म यसो भिडियो बनाउने भए त म त खतरा लगाएर आउँथ्यो अरे ओ तिमीसँग कपडा पनि थियो कि त्यतिकै भनेको ए हो ए दावा ल नेक्स्ट टाइम ल नेक्स्ट टाइम मिङमा बाई बाई सी यू ओके ल मेरो भ्लगलाई यसो सब्सक्राइब गरिदियो ल
Bye.
Now I pay. No problem. So, thank you so much, guys,
Prakash, why you pay?
for. Oh my God. बिल त नि खत्रै उठेछ नि बिल त अब मैले 350 मैले तिर्ने अरूले कति तिर्ने भाइले तिमीले कति तिर्यो 1000 तिर्यो Well, guys, thank you so much and really appreciate. दाइलाई गर्ने भएर सक्छ दाइलाई चाहिँ नमस्ते गर्नुपर्ने हो नि खासमा त
I will show my
Namaste.
nails.
नमस्ते गर तिमीले त
No problem. Handshake. We are in a,
this is respect.
Respect. Wow.
Okay.
You should do.
So thank you so much for
Put in
inviting
your phone.
in between
We will
this
miss you
in
for 2
between
weeks.
this that until my leave so we will meet again and thank you so much भाइ प्रकाश बहिनी है आइदिएर मेरो यति धेरै खर्च गराइदिएकोमा so you guys lot of spend my time and this much money 303 okay guys so and now we will move
We'll go
here,
home now.
okay?
Thank you
So
so much.
I
everybody,
can
for coming.
no I can drop you guys
No, I will take Sanju and then I will go home. We have rotation.
oh really
Oh,
so
It's a long
really
way, so.
Drop you
yeah I will drop him
Yeah, take it
then
home safely.
yeah and we will meet you soon guys again
See you.
so
Take care, enjoy your annual leave. I see you when I see you. If you need anything, call me.
but we have planned just don't forget okay that
Yeah.
plan
Already
so
on video now.
No,
Cannot
relax.
come out.
so thank you so much guys so hello hi hello
See you.
see you guys
Bye.